and you get to jump into the back off the dock of Shipwreck Run. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look here. There's gold. There's gold. Pirate's treasure. Oh, loving it. And then there, Dead Man's Plank. We got some detailing yet to do on it. Of course, there's your cargo net exit out of it too if you don't want to use the Dead Man's Plank. Yes, Dead Man's Plank is looking pretty cool, man. Yes, it is. Look at that. I'm liking this. This is cool, cool, cool. Yes, that's the way it looks now. I've got some signage to put on it, some detail work yet to tie in. But looky here. Run right down through that area. Yeah, it's cool. It's so cool. And exit out on that rock. And then you head over that way. Angel Pass is over here. Yes, Angel Pass. And then you come around Angel Pass and you've got Skull Mountain. This is the face side of Skull Mountain. The back side of Skull Mountain is the challenging part. Yeah, excuse the wind.